packed up camp again. Bit grassy this little spot last night, plenty of prickles in my bum. We were just on our way to Mount Surprise, about 70 k's away on a heavily corrugated road. Try to get to Athens Tablelands today, which would be great because if we can get to Lake Eacham, we're going to have a dip. Haven't seen water in a week, so a bit smelly. You can probably smell me right now. Whew. Yeah. So this is a little spot where I have my shithouse adventure ride a moment. Oh, last night. Yeah. Fuck me. Okay. No trucks coming. Cool, back on the road. Nice. Beautiful. We should have camped here last night. Right up in there. Oh well. Yeah. What are you doing, Chris? We've done it again. What a campsite. Wow. So we're pretty chuffed with ourselves. We just pulled off the side of the road, up a little dirt road, looking for a camp, as we do.
Fantastic.
We've had some pretty rough ones.
This is our first class.
This one here takes the cake. Well and truly. I'm not going to tell you where it is because I'm going to keep it for us. All the cockies going off. Australia. Probably a few freshy crocs around, but don't worry about them. Absolutely beautiful. We're lucky. We're lucky. officially in the Tablelands. Look at this, greenery, trees. Oh, the smells, everything. I do love the desert, but tell you what, I do love getting back to the rainforesty areas too. Wow, wow. So last time I was at this spot was on my WR250 after like a 2.5, 3 month ride. And now I've done about the same amount of Ks, or probably a little bit less, but in 2 weeks time. Just stand up here, have a look-see around. Chris is loving this spot.
Unbelievable but true.
Unbelievable but true. Atherton Tablelands, we love ya.
We've done 4,760 Ks since Moona, Tasmania to here.
It's just up the road, isn't it, really?
Just around the corner.
Just around the corner.
Just shoot aim for a pack of smokes.
Woo. Killing it. We're killing it. Just pulling up here at Milla Falls. I don't think I'm going to swim actually, it's too bloody cold. I might get a cabin tonight in Milla. Look at this. On a little bit of a mission down to some other waterfalls. Julia Falls, something like that. If I can get down. Oh. True adventure camp style. Let's have a look here. Oh my god. Pretty good falls. It's a pretty good beer as well. Queensland! Well, it's that time. Airing back up after how many thousands of kilometres we've done on dirt roads. Tyres are holding up well though. Mine was new when we left. We've nearly done 5,000 Ks. If I can get around here and show it to you. Yeah. She's still got another 1,000 in her, easy. We cheated, got a cabin last night. Only the second time though, so not bad, considering. Look at us, we're in a bushwalk. Oh, we're not riding a KTM, we're on a bushwalk.
This is too slow, Cam.
This is too slow, start running. So we're just at the Mount Hipimami crater. Just give you a little look today.
It even says today.
It even says today, I'm not here tomorrow. A little look-see down here. I've been here a couple of times before and it's still specky. All the way down there, it's 58 metres down, and then that water is 73 metres deep. Queensland!
I'm in Queensland.
I'm in Queensland. Help ourselves. We found some more gravel. Hey! This corner goes around a bit. This is more like it. Track. Ah, not too bad. So I think this is called Drover's Lookout that we're heading to. Got our 390s. They love everything. Oh, ow. No wet feet today. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus, I don't know if we're going to get up that, man. Well, that makes it interesting. Fuck, how am I going to get up that? Fuck. Ah, right. Oh. Fucking. Oh, I'm stuck hard here. Not going nowhere. Things we do. Just had to help me up that slippery bit there. She's a bit clayey up here. That's the first wet clay we've had on the trip, so all surfaces ticked. Beautiful.
Fuck it, that makes it hard to get shit in me boots.
Yeah. Woo. Tell you what, these Atherton Tableland roads are pretty good, even though they're sealed. Lots of twisties and windies and dips and curves and ducks and dives and you name it. We're just coming into Lake Eacham. Put me toe, I'll put my fingers in, see if it's warm enough. We still haven't had a swim yet, we're pussies. Yeah, Lake Eacham. Recommend?
Recommend.
So this is called Lake Barine. Another sweet little spot. You come here for a nice Devonshire tea and a scone. Not that we will, but we're not like that. So I'm just taking Chris to see in the giant fig tree. I want to see the look on his face when he's up close to it. I've been here a few times before, but it's something new for him.
Is that it? No. Oh wow! Is that it? Oh man! It's like something out of Robinson Crusoe.
Here she is.
Mate, look at that. Wouldn't that make wicked for a treehouse up there?
Yep. Use Avatar stuff, this, isn't it?
Yeah. What?
Can't help ourselves. We find a dirt road again. Might be one of the last dirt roads we get together though. Now this is a photo. Yeah! Woo! Oh, look at that! Woohoo! She is a pumpin'! There's some power in that one. Woo! We'll go over here and have a look with the GoPro, shall we? Oh, what a shot. What a shot. Yeah. So we're off to find our final camp of the trip. Cool little spot. We won't be camping down here because you can't put tent pegs in rock last time I checked. Just pulled up in the bush again. Set up tents soon. We've managed to snare another little spot for our final camp on the trip.
That's it, last tent night.
Last tent night. We've got a few drinks.
Hey?
We might celebrate a bit tonight. Ooh, yeah, there's a river right here too, so nice.
The Serenity.
The Serenity. Yeah, and this is camp set up for the final time. And another fire. Every camp we've managed to have our own campfire. Yep. My home for the last 2 weeks. Chris is home for the last 2 weeks. Once again, We got a perler of a spot. Probably can't see it on the GoPro. Down here, I'll just get down these. Whoop, 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 whoop. Parkour. Down here. Ah, magic. River frontage. Where there's a house. Just sitting here, you probably can't see much. Got a fire going. A couple of cans, probably can't see it.
Ew.
Oh, it's lucky it's dark. If he showed his legs, you'd see bright neon because...
Old neon sticks.
Old neon sticks, we're from Tassie. We haven't got our legs out today, we're too embarrassed. Cheers.
Only watch the swimmers.
I only watch the swimmers. And good swimmers they were. I'll give them some swimmers. We've just packed up the final camp. It's all coming to an end now. End destination today is Trinity Beach. We've got a good bit of sealed road to do called Gilly Ranges Road, but you get stuck behind a pile of cars and trucks and there's always speed cameras there, so it'll still be a bit of fun. Nice twisties. Oh, all coming to an end. We're still alive. Booyah! McDonald's! McDonald's! Haven't seen the Golden Arches in 5,000 kilometres. Oh. And we're in the big smoke. Been a while since we've seen a city. On our way to Stoney's Creek. Have a little swim. Feels good to be clean. The first time. What's it like, Chris? Bit chilly, mate. We've made it to the ocean, which is the end of the line. End of the line. What a journey. What a journey. Oh, I want to park somewhere. Pull in over here, right? Let's pull in here. Done. Oh, we did it! We did it! High five, man, well done. We did it. There's the ocean, a long way away from Tassie. Ah. Unreal.
You'll be happy with that.
Oh, happy with that. Well, look where we are, we made it. Oh, 7% left of battery on that. We better do a video. There we are. We've just made it to Trinity Beach. 5,000 kilometres, 5 states. Lots of dust, lots of dirt, few sealed roads. Most of it was dirt roads pretty much.
60% at least.
60%. 2 weeks time. on the bikes. What a journey this has been.
11 nights in tents.
11 nights in tents. That was intense. That was intense. Thanks everyone for your support along the way, cheering us on. Can't believe we made it alive, so unreal. Epic adventure, this one. This one is for the record books. Insane.
Trip of a lifetime.
Trip of a lifetime.
Insane.
Absolutely wicked. We did it.
We did it. We were doing it and we done it.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it. Woo. Ah well, we'll see you next time on Adventure Cam. You know what's happening there. Woo.
Someone save me from all I've done. Please don't blame me for all my past. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke, nothing more. Everything we're calling truth suddenly will kill ourselves. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, fight is fun, but even laugh can make me feel. Goodbye, goodbye. The spinning deep inside of me, wasting time, fight is fun, but even laugh can make me feel. We're the team, selling lies for ourselves, killing in the name of the Tablelands. 'Cause everything we can see is just a joke.